Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to clean the main brush on your Xiaomi robot vacuum H50 Pro. So first, what are we gonna do is we're gonna flip the robot upside down. This is the most important thing out here. So we're gonna grab the robot. Now we want to simply see here, and here we got the brushes. As you guys can see, this is the main brush, the orange one. And what are we gonna do with it is we need to press from this side and from this side to lift the cover. Now the cover is not that important, so we're gonna leave it. But here we have the brush that we can automatically take off. So now let me quickly place the robot down. Now here, if you have any tangled hair inside, what you guys want to do is simply cut it with a design tool that you was given with the robot, and that's basically how you guys can easily clean the main brush. If you don't have the tool, simply you can use your fingers for an example. You can try and get it off, and after that you're ready to go with simply proceeding to put it back on. So remember, you have two things here. Now the white one on the left side or right side, depending on how you look at it, you need to put the orange thing in there. Now it will automatically just go through. And to put the cover back in, here you have those three little things that you need to put before you put everything else, just like this. So it has to click. Now after it clicks, everything's done, and our robot has a cleaned main brush. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.